In this episode, we'll be drawing Buttercup from the Powerpuff Girls.
Hi, I'm Miss K.
And I'm Mr. K.
And we are
K. What is up, guys? Hope this video finds you well. So in this episode, we'll be drawing Buttercup from the Powerpuff Girls. Okay, we'll start off with some light shades to form an oval shape. Okay, anytime that you feel that this video is going too fast, you can just pause and retrace the steps. So now I'm going over with darker shades as I'm more confident of the oval shape, followed by a straight line down to form the body and part of the legs. And about 1 cm or 2 cm away, we're gonna add another line down. So the body is essentially just a square. Okay, we're gonna draw another line down in the center. And we're gonna add in 2 curves. And this should form her legs. 2 lines across and followed by a semicircle for her shoes. We're going to be adding like an infinity sign or a number 8 lying down, sort of, for her hands, because she usually crosses her hands. A line across for some details on her shirt, and then we're gonna go around a third of the top for her hairline. And then we're gonna add in 2 curves at the side for her hair. And we're gonna add like an upside down V for the parting in her hair before joining them to the sides. Okay, now onto the eyes. We're just gonna draw a diagonal line across, followed by a curve all the way to the sides, like that. And you want to repeat the same on the other side. Diagonal line across, curved line to the side. Okay, now the inner part of her eye, you're just going to draw another curve, like such. Another curve on the outer part, somewhat like a U shape. Okay, for pupils, it's just a circle shape. I'm just going over the lines. And same on the other side. So somewhat like a U shape. Followed by half a circle for her other pupil. Okay, just correcting my drawing, and just a diagonal line across for her mouth. Now I'm gonna go over with black marker. And then I'm gonna erase all the unnecessary lines before coloring her in. I'm gonna start with the blacks. I'm using a Sharpie. And then I'm gonna add on some green for her eyes and for her uniform before some skin tones. Okay, just gonna outline the blacks to tidy it up. Touching up with some fine black marker, and there you have it, a drawing of Buttercup. and then remember to sign your work. Please like and subscribe and comment what you'd like us to draw next. Thank you and have a good day. Till the next episode, see ya!